In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your crypto from Binance Exchange to your Binance Wallet quickly and safely using the Binance app in 2025. First, open your Binance app. At the top, you'll see two tabs, Exchange and Wallet. Tap on Wallet. Now, tap Receive and select Withdraw from Binance Exchange. Next, choose the assets you want to move. For this example, I'll use USDT. After that, pick the network. I recommend choosing BNB Smart Chain because it's fast and the fee is zero. Tap Continue, then confirm your Binance Wallet address. Now enter the amount you want to transfer and make sure you have enough balance and the minimum is 10 USDT. You'll see the network fee is zero since this is an internal transfer. Now just tap transfer to successfully move coins confirm. And that's it. Your coins will be instantly moved from your exchange to your Binance wallet. No fees, no delays.